I hope bosses watch this video too.
This is why I made this video.
Being a good boss is, you're going to hear this very often, being a leader. A true leader is a great boss.
To be heard, to have equality, and with those fundamental pillars, your boss is able to support you and understand your needs.
To me, a great boss is a boss who will coach you along the way.
A great boss is a great leader, where a good leader will lead and guide the staff and make them feel like the organization or the company belongs to them.
Putting everyone first instead of himself, instead of commanding someone to do something and instructing someone to do something, getting people to work together with him as a team.
For me, it's important for a boss to get to know employees better, appreciate them, that they are not only your employee, but they are your partner in their work.
Who expects you to exceed expectation, who will provide you with the support that you need.
Everyone is treated fairly, all right? And everyone is viewed as a priority.
To have a boss that has a bit more of the oversight and the big picture that will help support you in the toughest but the best way possible.
The boss should give opportunity for the staff to speak. Okay, it's like a two-way communication. It's not only the boss to speak and then the staff listen.
I always believe that a boss must coach. Not to hold hands, but to coach.
A true boss knows what's happening when or whatever that is going on every single time, day in, day out. They are like a walking diary, you know.
Reward is important to be recognized, to have the opportunity, also the gift for positive and negative feedback.
When a boss is a good listener, and then is very open to receive any critics or to receive any feedback from the staff, it's very good to create a good relationship.
A quality of a good boss is who listens. Okay, listens. It's not just that macam you listen to your boss, but your boss also listens to you.
Is someone who works at the same level as you and on the same wavelength as you and trying to achieve as much goals as they can together.
We grow together, move in the same goal. That makes a great leader. It's not that I work for you, that means I am your slave.
A great boss will buy the staff a good cup of coffee. Wait, serious ah?